In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a business profile on Google Maps. Whether you've closed your business or simply need a fresh start, removing your business profile is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to google.com. This is where we'll start our journey. Once you're on the Google homepage, you'll want to use the search bar to search for your business name. This step is crucial because it helps Google identify which business profile you're looking to manage. Make sure you type the name as accurately as possible to pull up the correct profile. Once you see your business profile in the search results, look for the three-dot menu icon. It's usually located in the top right corner of the business profile box. This icon is your gateway to the settings you need. Clicking on these three dots will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your business profile. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Business Profile Settings option. This section contains all the customization and management tools for your profile. Once you're in the settings, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available, as these can be useful for future reference. Next, you'll see an option labeled Remove Business Profile. This is your destination. Selecting this option will prompt Google to guide you through the process of deleting your business profile. Follow the instructions carefully to ensure that your profile is removed correctly. It's important to note that removing your business profile might take some time to reflect in search results, as Google needs to update its database. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of deleting a business profile on Google Maps. Keep in mind, if at any point you decide to reestablish your business presence online, you'll need to create a new profile from scratch. This can be a fresh start with updated information and branding. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Until next time, take care